Research shows that most searches do not end at the result page. Actually opening a document or page and confirming whether it contains the information needed is an additional step in most cases, and often sees the user returning to the search immediately afterward. The Ontolica Preview module allows users to preview their results directly from the result list, and its powerful auto-analysis functionality directs users to the most relevant pages, letting them quickly and effectively determine if the document is what they need. With unmatched support for document formats, Ontolica Preview is fully integrated with your normal result list. The module provides thumbnails of the first page in the document, supporting over 500 different formats, from the full range of Office documents to vector and rasterized image formats. Key features include preview navigation directly from the result page, hit highlighting based on your specific search query, and Ontolica Preview Analysis, which scans and returns links to the best matching pages in the document. In our example, running on Ontolica 2010, we have a number of useful features to slice and dice results before previewing them, although you could just as easily enable the preview module on native SharePoint 2007 or 2010, or even your existing custom or third-party search enhancements. Once you have located a promising document using result filters, grouping, or any of the other search tools available in Ontolica, you can then dive into it, open it up, and scan through it page by page to check if it visually matches what you're looking for, or open up individual pages to look more closely at them. Supporting PowerPoint, Word, and other Office formats, as well as a multitude of other document types, the Preview module enables you to scan for visual matches for tables or diagrams or other layout markers in your documents. The Preview Analysis functionality takes this a step further and examines each document to locate pages that match your specific query, so you can quickly flip through the document to evaluate it. Relevant keywords are highlighted in the document, and Ontolica Preview performs a deep-level analysis of the entire text to suggest pages that contain the best quality matches to your search term, and then lets you browse directly to them. If there are multiple documents that might be relevant, we can even open them up side by side and compare them directly in the browser. Using this powerful functionality, we can scan for visual markers, compare pages quickly and easily, and rapidly determine if a specific result is what we need. And remember that Preview is a fully standalone product and can be implemented on any search page in SharePoint with or without a dedicated search solution to integrate it with. To summarize, the Ontolica Preview module delivers the ability to intuitively determine whether promising results contain the knowledge you need without leaving the search context. By making sure you have the right document before you open it up, you save time and can get straight to work with it. Key advantages in Ontolica Preview are powerful visual result navigation, the unprecedented document format support, document analysis to find the specific page or pages that best match your search within a specific document, simple integration into any result page in SharePoint, the ability to tailor your usage scenario from light infrastructure all the way up to fully indexed document previews, and it requires no client plugin and is optimized for internet usage. Ontolica Preview is a powerful tool for visually navigating your documents. Simply put, it lets you see if a specific document contains what you need. And by reducing the time spent determining whether a document is relevant, Ontolica Preview reduces time wasted in the search situation, and that saves you money. Download a 30-day trial of Ontolica Preview from www.surfray.com/free trial to see for yourself, or contact us for a personalized web demo.